Welcome back to my channel, guys! So today my tooth just came out last night and I got an LOL. We're gonna open it and see what's LOL inside. The Tooth Fairy got me a LOL doll and you can watch us how we open it and what's LOL that we get. This is my friend Aubrey. Now, let's get started. We're gonna open it just like this. Why did it not talk to me? Okay, when you're done, just take the other tape off. Rip this off. Okay, guys? This is how you do it. And what's taking so long? Me? Yeah. I don't know.
Do you like LOL dolls, Aubrey?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I have one at home.
You do?
I have one.
Whoa.
My mom's going to help me open it.
Oh, what do we have? You want to show the paper, Aubrey? Scarlett, start opening that. What is in there?
Puzzle.
You got a puzzle? Looks like this is what the puzzle's supposed to be. Do you know who that is? Oh man, it looks like we got some stickers though. The stickers go on the puzzle. If you can't tell, we have a sad little girl over here. Why are you sad?
I want the LOL.
Oh, it was an LOL surprise. It's a puzzle. That's what the puzzle's supposed to be. We could put the puzzle together.
I want the LOL.
Oh, well, maybe we'll have to go back another day and see what else we can find. Huh? Look at Aubrey's excited. Wow, this is a big puzzle.
To the hair.
It matches your hair right there.
I'm gonna find a hairpiece. I found another hairpiece, Mama. Got a piece, I got a piece.
Let me see. Alright, keep that over there so we don't lose it.
Now I'm going to make the other eye. Does somebody see an eyepiece? Not me. You promise that we will get a LOL soon?
Hopefully.
Hopefully. Mama, when I have a wiggly tooth, can I ask the Tooth Fairy to give me an actual LOL, not a puzzle?
You can try.
I'll tell her, please, pretty, please. Excuse me. Where did this piece go? I don't know. This is difficult. That doesn't go. Where does the heck go?
Hmm?
Where does the heck go?
Okay.
Barry, can you please bring me an actual LOL instead of a LOL puzzle? Pretty please. Another one. Ow, two more.
2 more.
Ow, you have 2. You were so cute, little one. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Sweet boy. Our LOL is coming alive. Why are you yelling?
I know, it's crazy, girl.
Now, what are you doing? Mom, Matt's going to get the camera. Sorry. We need this piece. Fabric's digging done. Can you help Charlotte?
Can I help her?
And yeah, so I'm trying to fix this. Now, can we go get a snack from the library?
Okay.
Auntie knows this one. Okay. We'll be back, Mom. Okay. Bye, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this channel. I hope you like my video. See you on my next video. Take a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My brother, I'm very sorry, guys. My brother's messing up my video. Sorry, but we will do this another day. Okay, guys?